Cameron's mom and dad, Victor and Libby Boyce, and his sister Maya, they all run the Cameron Boyce Foundation. They raise money every year for finding a cure for epilepsy, and they've really just done a lot of work to really keep the foundation alive and keep his memory alive. And yeah, so I just try to go every year and raise as much money as possible, and yeah, just talk about him whenever I can. And yeah, he was such a great person. He was one of my best friends, and he was like a brother to me growing up. So every time something big happens, I want to call him. I didn't expect to cry because I talk about him so much that I don't expect to cry anymore. Yeah, it hits at different times.